Hi, I'm Mike, a technical product marketing manager at Forward Networks. In today's video, we will talk about the types of comparisons you can do in NQE to be able to filter data so that you can see the information that is most relevant to the query that you are writing. If you're familiar with other programming languages, then comparisons in NQE should be a breeze. Let's look at what they are with a few examples. So we have the double equal sign, which is equals to. This is when you want to check for strict equality. So let's write a query to see which devices have a default route in their routing table and what the next hop for that default route is. So we can see in this where statement, which is where we're going to start to filter, the prefix in the IP entry must match quad 0. So when we execute this, we're going to get back the devices that have default routes and what the next hops of those default routes are. Not equals to is the inverse to equals to. So we want to look for something that is not equal to the value that we are writing. So let's say you want to pull back a list of device names and models that aren't virtual ASAs. So for here, we're going to say device.platform.model is not equal to ASAV. And when we execute this, we're going to get back all the devices in our model that are not ASAVs. So greater than is if you want to check to see if a number is greater than the number you're looking for. So in this example we're going to see if our interface MTU is greater than 1500. If it is, we're going to print it out. And we can see we have 611 results for that. What this is leaving out, though, is it's greater than 1500. So if there are devices where the MTU is 1500, they're not going to be reported here. So if we search for 1500, we'll see that that doesn't show up. If you wanted to look for anything that is greater than or equal to the number you're looking for, we have to change our comparison to greater than or equal to. And then when we execute this, we see that we now have devices with the MTU of 1500 also coming in. Now we have also less than and less than or equal to. So same concept as greater than, but we're going to look at everything less than 1500. Excuse me. So now if we do less than 1500 and we hit execute, we start getting our MTUs back that are less than 1500, and then the same thing holds true, where if you want to look at less than or equal to 1500, we would do the less than or equals to symbol. That is a quick overview of how to use comparison operators in NQE. What have you used comparison operators for to extract new data from your network? Let us know and share your queries over at community.forwardnetworks.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.